Hi.
Hello.
Can you speak English?
Yes.
I'm a little bit concerned, to be honest. I don't know Frankfurt very well.
Okay.
I have a British passport and Canadian passport, yeah?
Okay.
I just arrived about an hour ago and I was accosted by 3 police officers outside who demanded to see my passport and said, go back to the UK. I've just gone to the Bundes police over there and said, why did they do that? And they will not answer the telecom. Well, they basically said, yes, 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 and then I asked the question, why did you do that? Then they hung up the phone. I'm a little concerned now.
Sorry, I don't know what to do.
No,
either.
but this is part of the train station. If I can't, this is the Bundes police who did that, right? I'm just standing minding my own business. Obviously, I'm not a terrorist or something. I have a British and Canadian passport. Went through all my things and then went, yeah, go back to the UK. I don't know who I can approach. The Deutsche Bahn run the trains here. I've gone to the police. I cannot get an answer.
So what can I help?
I don't know. Can I talk to a manager or something? Because I don't know. I'm terrified for my safety now. I don't know why they just did that.
You can ask a colleague.
Ja, können Sie.
Welche Polizisten haben irgendwie Mann gemacht?
Wait, do you speak English?
Ja.
So I don't understand what just happened. I just got off the train. I'm outside trying to find my coordinates. And 3 police officers basically accosted me. I have a British and UK passport. Just off the Deutsche Bahn train. And was like, I'm like, what's the problem? And they were like, why don't you go back to the UK? And I'm like, eh? I've just gone over to the Bundes police. They were free. Yeah, but this is a Deutsche Bahn. I don't know who to ask. The Bundes police will not.
Information that's in the middle of the road.
Yes. That is for.
Yeah, but that's Deutsche Bahn as well. This is Deutsche
This is
Bahn.
only a ticket office. It's another company, right?
Yes.
This is for service and information desk, and this is only a ticket office
Yes,
from the
oh,
bid.
wait.
Right, but this is the main. But is it possible to talk to a manager here or something?
No, not the weekend. The managers on weekend.
There's no manager in Deutsche Bahn on the weekend.
Till Monday to Friday.
So who runs Deutsche Bahn here on weekend?
Information desk, the colleagues over there.
That was very helpful. Thank you.
تعال خذ come here. شنو بخ شنو خصك؟
Why are you looking at me like that?
دار مش تدخل. ولا